The importance of national identity. National identity is the foundation upon which a nation character and unity are built in company. The shared value, tradition, and historical narrative that bind a people together and shape their collective sense of purpose. The role of history and culture. National history serves as the foundation for the collective identity, shaping its value, tradition, and shared experience. Cultural elements like language, art, music, and folklore are integral to the development and preservation of a district's national character. Landmark historical events set a world relation of significant achievement. The impact of globalization on national identity. First, increased cultural exchange. Globalization has facilitated in cross-pollination of idea, value, and tradition, challenging the homogeneity of national cultures. Number two, blurred borders. As people, goods, and information flow more freely across nation and traditional boundaries that define national identity have become increasingly porous. 3. Emergence of hybrid identity. Individuals are now able to amalgamate elements from various cultures, creating dynamic hybrid national identity that defy categorization. Fostering a sense of national belonging. Number 1. Inclusive narrative. Promote a shared national narrative that celebrates the diversity and contribution of all citizens, fostering a sense of collective identity and belonging. Number 2. Civic engagement. Encourage active participation in civic life such as voting, volunteering, and community service to strengthen citizens' connection to their nation and institution. Number 3. National symbols. Elevate as preferred national symbol such as the flag, anthem, and historical monuments as visual representation of the nation identity and value. Number 4. Education and socialization. Impart lesson on national historic culture and democratic principles into the educational curriculum to instill a sense of national pride and responsibility in young citizens. The relationship between national identity, patriotism, complementary concept. National identity and patriotism are closely linked with the former, providing the foundation for the latter. A strong national identity fosters a deep sense of allegiance and pride in one country, shared value and ideas. Both national identity and patriotism are rooted in a shared set of value, traditional, and historical narrative that define a national character and inspire citizens to protect, uphold its ideals. Civic participation. Patriotism manifests through active engagement in the political and social fabric of national, such as voting, volunteering. Balancing nationalism and internationalism. In an increasing global world, the challenging lies striking a balance between fostering a strong national identity and promoting international cooperation and understanding. The challenging of diversity in shaping national character. Balancing unity and plurality, equity representation, inclusive narrative, navigating tension. The urgency of strengthening national identity in the modern era. Adaptation to globalization, fostering unity and inclusion, navigation the digital age, sustainable development.